before we start this video, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at DanTheMan. Make sure you guys send me a message in the comments down below that you did, because I'll try to respond to as many of you guys as possible, and help me make it to 1,000 subs. I would really appreciate that. Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Daniel. Welcome back to another video, and welcome back to another Try Not to Laugh challenge video. Yeah, guys, I'm back, and sorry if I haven't been able to make any videos lately. I was off for 3 days, but I was busy on I was on vacation because celebrating Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Yeah, I wanted to get some sleep, but I thought maybe I could make a quick little video to keep you guys company while I'm busy thinking of my 2 songs, you know, for later. And then after that, it's gonna be Let's Plays full time. Just need to get the right equipment or whatever. But first off, I got a special guest with me today. It's someone I got for the first time. It's my dog, Susie. Susie, everyone, say hi to Susie. Indeed, indeed. Susie, you a good girl. Like, watch this. Susie, you want to say hi to the camera? You want to say hi to the camera, big girl? You want to say hi to the camera, don't you? Good girl. Yeah, guys, this is my dog, Susie. She's really nice. I'm thinking of her as a mix of Mark Blurren's dog, Chica, and Boogie298's dog, Sammy. Because, you know, she's fluffy and she's small, or whatever. You know? So, today my Try Not to Laugh challenge number 3. I know I lost twice, but not this time. I'm gonna react to a YouTube poop video, or YTP for short, which I'm pretty sure you all might know who. Michael Rosen. Michael Rosen, his poetic adventure on his birthday. Yeah, I'm really excited to react to this video because I got some news. First off, I would like to thank everyone for helping me make it to 113 subs. I know I was at 114, but I don't know what happened. Like, why my subscribers dropped down and whatever. And, what else? Let me think. Sorry about that. I was looking at my phone. Anyway, yeah, I'm at 113 subs. Everyone, please help me make it to 1,000 subs, because I would really appreciate that if you do. I hope I'll make it to 1,000 subscribers in 2019, because I know I will. And I hope you like the new picture I put right here, Five Nights at Freddy's. And yes, guys, I'm a Five Nights at Freddy's fan. I love all the games, from FNAF 1 to Ultimate Custom Night, which I will do a Let's Plays of those. I promise I will. But first off, we're gonna be reacting to this. But before we start, make sure you guys follow me here on Twitter at DanTheMan, you know, because I'm always available at any time. And if you did, then good. Oh, whoops. Okay, never mind that. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Hold on. I don't know what that was. Anyway. Michael, tell the story. Noise Drink presents Michael Rosen's poetic adventure. I'll try not to laugh. Don't laugh either. What's up, Michael?
Facebook birthday wishes. Wonderful. It's funny. I don't actually have any real life friends.
Good.
Anyway. Was that present there before?
No.
What's in it? What's happening?
Oops. Oh, wait, sorry, that's just tiny.
Ben! I've been up here for 3 weeks. And there's rats.
Oh, what happened? I was hypnotized. Sorry about that. What the heck?
Is anybody here? Hello, Michael. Who said that? My name is the Hypnotizer. That present contained a magical transporter that led you here. What is this place? Nothing. Don't you see? You have to escape. What do you mean? You have to conquer one of your poems.
What?
Bother.
Oh, they left.
It's a tent. I wonder what's inside. Oh, was that key there before?
Oh, key.
I'm gonna hang on to that.
Alright. What's inside the tent? The Sky Fugel? No. That's bad.
What's this show going to be?
I think you know what it is, Michael.
Oh no!
Uh-oh.
What the fuck is going on? Quick! Get out! Get out of here! The Sky Fogel has escaped!
That was you left.
I know which of my poems this is now.
Oh, man. Let me laugh. Let me laugh. No, I didn't laugh. I was almost me. Whoa, this one's ugly.
I'm not scared of you.
Okay.
Shit.
Nope. Attack! Okay. Two curse words. No, let's move. Screw this. I'm out of here.
Why is there a knife just sitting in the middle of a park?
I don't know. Stupid 7-year-old torso thinking it's complicated. Hey, Sky Frugal. What's this? Bye.
Fantastic. Well done, Michael. You completed the poem. Ha! In your face. Ha! Did you really think it was going to be that simple?
What?
What are you talking about? There was a catch. Oh no. To escape, you have to find a key. You mean this key right here? No! That can't be.
Yep. Back on we go.
I'm back home.
Good.
Great. Really great. I still don't have anyone to celebrate my birthday with.
Me?
No one laughing. No presents. Just me. On my own.
Aww. Come on, man. Don't worry, Michael. Me and my fans like to celebrate your birthday. You know why? Because if you're famous for poems and stories, they'll celebrate your birthday. Right, guys? Give Michael some love. I almost laughed at 2 curse words that he said, but I didn't laugh, thank God. At least I made it so far. What? Whoa! Everyone came to Michael's party! That's what I call a party. The end. Psych!
How did you creeps get in my house? Get out of here right fucking now.
Oh my god, that was awesome! Well, I laughed, but who cares? I made it to the end, didn't I? Oh my god, that was so cool. Guys, give Michael some love, because that was awesome. Like, oh my god, I wasn't expecting that to happen, you know? Hang on. Here. Wait a minute, hold up. Oh, okay, I'm still recording. I thought I wasn't. Anyway, yeah, guys. That is my short Try Not to Laugh challenge number 3. I will do a few more Try Not to Laugh challenges because I'm doing pretty good. Next time, I'm thinking of doing, Mark Learn's Try Not to Laugh challenges all the way from number 1 to number 18, you know? Because if he's a laughing man, a laughing Korean American man, or whatever, then I can laugh too. If he's laughable, I'm laughable. By the way, before I go, I want to give some news a little bit. Oh, quick, real. The famous. You guys remember the famous YouTuber I told you about, BonnieFan3000? This dude right here. And remember I told you about his game, Final Fantasy East World 2: The Shattered Dimension? Well, he has made a few announcements, but here's an announcement right now. I'll try to sound like him. Hassa everyone. This is it, guys. The game is releasing today. The game is now compressing, so expect the game to drop soon. I'm gonna test the final version first, just to make sure there are no major bugs in the game. And we will release it to Game Jolt ASAP. After the game is released, we will take our well-deserved break. Huzzah! Sorry, I wanted to sound like Pawnee fan for a second. And actually, I hope you guys like my Bonnie Fan 3000 voice, because I try my best to do it. He's all like, huzzah, everyone! You know? Yeah. Actually, you know what? I will do a Let's Play of this, because there are FNAF YouTubers on here, and I want to play the original one first before this one. Because, you know, that'll be really cool. And Bonnie Fan, I think you, Eth, and everyone else deserve a really long break after making this game for over a year. You know? Because it's been 2 years since, you know, this game hasn't been uploaded or whatever. Yeah, I'll try this game out for myself. And I'm gonna end this here for now, guys. Yeah. I don't know what else to say. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed this. Special thanks to Susie for being here. She's sleeping right now. I don't know if I should wake her up. And, P.S. Again, what is that? Okay, that was weird, glitchy. Never mind that, okay? I don't know what happened. Anyway, like I said, I'm in my secret base, my secret man cave. The other one that I'm in, my parents are busy right now, so they asked politely if I could make a video here in my little base with my dog. And I thought maybe, yeah. Well, I got nothing else to say other than follow me on Twitter at Dan the Man. Please help me make it to 1,000 subs. Tell your friends and family, because my YouTube channel has good contact. I know I don't have a mic or whatever, but who cares? Mics are for, you know. I'm not even gonna say it. Just funny people? Yeah, funny people. Yeah, help me make it to 1,000 subs. Tell your friends and family. My channel is family friendly and for teens too, adults, whatever, you know. So yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below if you thought this video was awesome, and then kick that like button right in the face, like that. Please subscribe to my channel too, and as always, I will see you guys next time in the next video. Goodbye, everybody. See you next time. Before I stop or whatever, I want to make one little announcement. The announcement is this.
How did you creeps get in my house? Get out of here right fucking now.
Bye, everyone.